In this video, we are taking a short and sweet trip up to Aomori Prefecture to check out the cherry blossoms and soak in a historic hot spring. First things first, we are getting to Aomori City and we are getting the freshest seafood, the Aomori Nokkedon. Next door is A Factory, and here you can get apple pie, apple ice cream, apple desserts, apple cider, apple everything. Timing your trip with the blossoming of the sakura, the cherry blossoms, is really a hit or miss. It's been really cold lately, so instead of seeing the cherry blossom festival on day 1, we're gonna save that for day 2 and pray that it gets warmer in the meantime. Now we're heading to our accommodation, Sukayu Onsen. The hot spring was discovered over 300 years ago, and the bathhouse and inn have been in operation for about 100 years. So the building and the room that we were staying in was pretty old. You can soak in the history and the baths, which are pretty acidic, so be careful if you have sensitive skin. Also, the main bath is a mixed gender bath, so keep your eyes on the architecture. Next, we're going to Towada Lake and Towada Shrine. Along the way, we're going to take a scenic drive and drive along Oirase Gorge. All the way along the stream, it's absolutely beautiful. The water, the trees, the rocks, they all come together in this beautiful composition. It kind of reminds me of the art biotope in Nasu. Next, we're visiting Towada Lake and Towada Shrine. Towada Shrine is nestled in the lakeside forest, and you can sense this strong spiritual energy as you make your way towards the main hall. The weather was pretty cold and rainy, but thankfully, the weather got warmer and sunnier as we made our way back to Hirosaki Castle. Just in time for lunch, right beside the castle grounds, and we can see the cherry blossoms while we eat and take a walk right after. For apple pie lovers, Hirosaki City has a map just for apple pie, the apple pie guide map. We are going to be using this to scout out the best apple pies. Ooh, is 4 apple pies in 2 days a lot? Alright, so I hope this gives you some insight and some spots that you might want to check out in Aomori, and I hope to see you in the next video. Cheers!